Have you ever wondered how much cash is actually circulating in the economy? Let us break down what we mean by the money supply. At its core, the money supply is a measure of liquidity, which represents how easily assets can be turned into spendable cash. Economists track this using two primary categories called M1 and M2, which measure different levels of access to your money. M1 is the cash in your pocket and your checking account. M2 adds in savings accounts, which are a bit harder to spend immediately. While M1 is strictly for immediate spending, M2 is a broader view that includes funds you might keep for future goals. The Federal Reserve monitors these levels closely because rapid changes in the money supply can influence inflation and overall economic growth. Think of it as the fuel for the economy. Too little can stall activity, while too much can lead to rising prices. Understanding these basics helps you see the bigger picture of how the economy functions. Thanks for watching and stay curious.